Hi guys, welcome to Home PC Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 10 from Google and install it on your computer. So first of all, you need to go to Google and type Windows 10 ISO. Then you will see there is an option for download Windows 10. You will see there is a lot of option, but you need to open the Microsoft original website. As you can see, www.microsoft.com. So you need to open the microsoft.com. But as you can see, there is a no Windows download option. So I will show you how you can download the Windows 10 for a Microsoft website. So it will not be a crack version. It will be a genuine Windows version. So it will be very safe to use. So all you need to go to more tool setting. Then you need to go to developer tool. Then you need to click on the mobile version. Then you can choose any of the mobile thing. Then you need to click refresh. Then you will see there is a download option on here. As you can see, there is a download option. So I already download the Windows 10 on my computer, so I will not download it again. So what I'll do, I will open it now and I will extract the file. I will right click on the file and I will click extract file. So it's now extracting. As you can see, the file has been extracted. Now I will open the Windows 10 file and you can see there is a option for setup. So what I will do, I will double click on setup icon, click yes. And as you can see that when you open the ISO file, you will see there is option for change how Windows setup download update. So I already download the Windows, so I will choose the option not at the moment because we already download the Windows latest version. Then when you need to click next, then it will check your PC for requirement setting as like for free space and other settings. So you need to click accept and you need to choose nothing because if you choose keep files and apps, all your file remain here. If you choose keep personal file only, then your file only stay. And if you choose the keep personal file and apps, your file and apps will be stay here. But if you set up nothing, it will be like a fresh new Windows and there is no file and setting. So I will choose now nothing, then click next. And you need to click yes. You need to click OK. Now it will check there is a enough space on your PC or not. So our PC have enough space and it is asking for install now. So I will click now install.